If you've been looking for a fast, retro-inspired ride that doesn't break the bank, this might be it. This is the new Jasion RetroVolt Max, and we're tearing down everything you need to know before you buy.
So guys, this is Daddy O with the O family. If you've been following the channel for a while, you probably remember we worked with Jasion before. We had a really good experience with their last bike, so when they reached out and asked if I'd like to check out their brand new RetroVolt Max,
yes!
Before its official launch, I couldn't wait to see what they come up with this time. So today we're going to unbox it, get everything assembled, go over the features and specs, and then after I've had some time to put some real miles on it, we'll head out for a full ride test to see how it actually performs in the real world.
Okay.
And as always, I'll share what I like, what I think could be improved, and whether I think it's worth your hard-earned money.
Sure.
So let's get this thing out of the box and see what the RetroVolt Max is all about.
Alright, as usual. Oh yeah, that was nice and easy.
Straight out of the box, Jasion packaged this thing super tight with plenty of foam and heavy-duty zip ties. Once you clear all the protection, you get your first look at the frame. Wow. And man, this Venom green is clean.
Nice.
They also offer it in Shadow Steel Gray, but this green looks absolutely mean.
Yeah.
As for the rest of the box, we've got the front wheel, front fender, the second battery, and a rear passenger seat. Inside the accessory boxes, you get the headlight, a 58.8 volt 3 amp charger, left and right pedals, a toolkit with a QR code for the manual, wheel bolt protectors, and a set of side view mirrors. That's everything in the box, so let's get this thing assembled. Assembly is pretty straightforward, but there are a few key steps to get right. First, pop off the fork protector, drop the front wheel in, making sure the rotor aligns with the brake caliper, tighten down the axle bolts, and give it a quick spin to check for rubbing. Next, remove the faceplate, set the handlebars in place, and torque down the bolts to your preferred angle. For the rear suspension, remove the side bolt, line up the shock eyelet with the frame and secure it on both sides. Then bolt on the rear fender before moving up front to mount the headlight and plug in the harness. Next, install the front fender, throw on the pedals, remembering left is reverse threaded, and bolt down the rear passenger seat. That's it for the build, so let's check out the specs.
Alright, before we take the RetroVolt Max out for a ride, let's take a quick look at what Jasion packed into this bike. The biggest highlight has to be the dual removable battery setup. Combined, you get a massive 52 volt 40 amp hour battery system with a claimed range of up to 150 miles. So this bike is clearly designed with longer rides in mind.
Nice.
Power comes from a 2000 watt peak rear hub motor that produces a claimed 99 Newton meters of torque with a top speed of over 35 miles per hour. To help keep those rides comfortable, Jasion also equipped the RetroVolt Max with an upgraded front suspension fork, dual rear shocks, 20 by 4 inch fat tires, 2 piston hydraulic disc brakes, and a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain. You also get an LCD display, integrated lights with turn signals, a rear rack with a passenger seat cushion, and a maximum payload capacity of 330 pounds. But as we all know, specs only tell part of the story. So let's get this thing out on the road and see how it actually performs. Taking a quick look at the cockpit, everything is laid out nice and simple. Right here in the center, you get a bright, easy to read color display that shows your speed, battery level, pedal assist level, along with your trip, odometer, max speed, and average speed. The numbers are nice and large too, so it's easier to glance down while you're riding. Over here on the left is your control pad where you can power the bike on and off, adjust your pedal assist level, cycle through the display information, turn your headlight on or off, and activate cruise control. Just below that, you also have dedicated buttons for the horn, turn signals, which is always nice to see. Then over on the right, you have a Shimano 7-speed shifter along with a half twist throttle that's comfortable to use and feels natural in your hand. Overall, everything's easy to reach and has clean, user-friendly layout. Alright, so moped style that goes over 35 miles per hour. Obviously safety first. I'm gonna put my helmet on. Okay, here we go. So let me go ahead and turn the bike on. So you can see, I can clearly see the display. I'm gonna start with the paddle assist one. But moped style like this is more for twist throttle. I think the paddle is just there for the look. I'm gonna use twist throttle for this review. Paddle assist one, nice and smooth. It's going 10 miles per hour. That's the max speed for the paddle assist one. It says eco mode on the screen. Brake check. Brake is excellent. Let's go to paddle assist 2 now. Oh yeah, let's build more boost now. 15.6 miles per hour. That's for the paddle assist 2. It's quiet, smooth. All right, let's go to paddle assist 3 now. Oh yeah, more boost. Exactly 20 miles per hour. I do love this long seat in the back. It's really comfortable. As you guys can see, it's easier to maneuver. No problem here. We go to paddle assist 4, 25.1, exactly 25.1. Let's see, max speed, paddle assist 5. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's going up. 31, 33.2. That's the max at the moment. It's not an instant torque in your face torque. So this is great for beginners, and at the same time it's got enough power to have fun. With the dual suspension, the ride is buttery smooth. Yeah, 33.2 is the max at the moment. Even with that max speed, you feel stable. Doesn't feel like you're about to lose control, and it's very quiet and smooth. There's also cruise control, you can turn it on. Oh yeah, it's on now. Cruise control is on, it's going by itself. And obviously the bike like this, gotta test out the full suspension. Grassy road here, bumpy and hilly. So let's go ahead and test it out, see how it does.
This is where the RetroVolt Max really started to shine. Once I got off the pavement and onto some of the rougher terrain, I could really appreciate how well the suspension worked. Between the front suspension and the dual rear shocks, it soaked up the bumps surprisingly well and made the ride feel really smooth. Now, if you're expecting that instant neck-snapping acceleration the moment you hit the throttle, this isn't really that kind of bike. Instead, the power comes on nice and smooth, making it easy to control and just enjoy the ride. Whether I was cruising through the grass, riding over uneven ground, or climbing some of these hills, the RetroVolt Max felt planted, comfortable, and honestly, just a lot of fun to ride. It's one of those bikes that makes you want to keep exploring instead of worrying about every bump in the trail.
After spending some time with the RetroVolt Max, there are definitely a lot of things I liked about it. First, I think Jasion absolutely nailed the styling. It has a really clean retro look, and this color looks even better in person. The dual battery setup is another huge plus. Having 2 removable batteries gives you a lot more confidence on longer rides without constantly worrying about range. Ride comfort was also excellent. Between the front suspension and dual rear shock, the bike felt smooth and comfortable over bumps. Hydraulic disc brakes always gets a thumbs up from me, and the stopping power felt solid and predictable. And finally, I like that Jasion included practical features like the rear rack, passenger seat cushion, turn signals, horn, and integrated lighting. It really feels like a complete package right out of the box. As for the cons, honestly, I'm kind of nitpicking here because I really enjoy riding this bike, and these are just my personal opinions. Even though it has a plenty of power for everyday riding, it doesn't have that really aggressive, throw you back in the seat type of acceleration. So if you're looking for a pure thrill ride with tons of instant torque, this probably isn't going to be the bike for you. But if you're looking for something that's smooth, comfortable, and easy to ride every day, I actually think Jasion did a really nice job with the overall tuning. And the another thing is this bike weighs around 108 pounds, so it is on the heavier side. Overall, I think Jasion did a really nice job with the RetroVolt Max. It's comfortable, packed with useful features, and the dual battery setup is definitely one of the biggest highlights. If you're looking for a comfortable cruiser that's great for commuting, weekend rides, or just getting out and enjoying the outdoors, I think this bike is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed today's review and found it helpful, I really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and family adventures. As of filming this video, Jasion hasn't sent over my affiliate link or discount code yet. As soon as I receive it, I'll add everything down in the description below, so be sure to check out there before making your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Jasion, for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.